أعوذ بالله السميع العليم من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم وبه أستعين في جميع الأمور رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي. Blessed start of the week of June 21st, 2021 to global residents from Sheikh Akbar Ali Mirza, SAM, Cycler, Climate Smart, Trust, engaged in building SAM's Wheel of Life Farm School Health Center in global university campuses. We are engaging and enrolling the STEM graduates and students of the universities in Global Executive MBA, Gamba in Climate Smart Entrepreneurship to acquire the training in Climate Smart Construction, Agriculture, and Education to build this Wheel of Life Farm School Health Center in their campuses to effectively combat COVID-19. So everybody can join SAM's TQL Club with 10 pure gold coin. 1 pure gold coin is equivalent to 2 Canadian dollars. The annual membership of 20 Canadian dollars also includes the membership of Victory Garden, which will assure that all mothers can grow climate smart ingredients in their home, cook climate smart immunity boosting meals for their families, and earn an extra income by selling excess ingredients to their neighbors. So everybody is welcome to join and participate in this noble project of uplifting global families in this very, very difficult COVID-19 world. So every STEM graduate, every high school graduate basically can also join our SAM's TQL Club with 10 PGC and then enroll in 5300 PGC Global Executive MBA program. And if they don't have 5300 PGC, we will link them to the SME, and the SME will be sponsoring the Gamba student, and both the SME and the Gamba student family can migrate, to Kenya, migrate to Sierra Leone, to work on our, on building SAM's Energime Aligarh Muslim Tijarat University campus towns, which will have about 500, 110 homes, self-sustaining communities, in the center of which will be Wheel of Life Farm School. And in that farm school, we will be growing food ingredients for animals and humans. It will be cooked in our 724 climate smart kitchen, and immunity boosting fresh meals will be served to all the residents of our campus town. So join SAM's TQL Club and initiate the journey of total quality, inflation-free, tayyab entrepreneurship. Thank you very much. Pass on this message to everyone and translate it in your local language, and so that everybody can participate and collectively we can effectively combat COVID-19 and then start enjoying a total quality inflation-free life in 2022. Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Allahumma salli ala Sayyidina Muhammadin wa ala ali Sayyidina Muhammadin wa barik wa sallim. Warham wa taraham kama sallaita wa sallamta ala Ibrahim wa ala ali Ibrahim innaka Hamidum Majid.